Okay, so this is the case of Dean versus Brown. All right, so Miss Dean, why are we here?
Well, I bought some tickets from him to a Phoenix Suns game, floor seats. I was super excited because I was taking my son. It was his birthday. You know, Chris Paul is his favorite player. So I was super, super psyched for him to go to this game and to take him, and the tickets were fake.
Okay, hold on a second. So how much did you pay for the tickets, Miss Dean?
$750 that I did not necessarily have.
Okay, and I read your complaint. You said you worked overtime for several weeks to get money to go to the game. How much of these tickets? Because $750 sounds, really, really cheap for floor seats. Hold on one second. So, Mr. Brown, you paid $5,000 for these tickets.
Yeah, these tickets were $5,000. NBA playoffs, courtside. She got a deal. I mean, I don't know what the problem is.
I got scammed.
Hold on, Miss Dean. Is there any particular reason why you were selling the tickets for just $750 if you paid $5,000 for them?
My grandmother passed away. I had to go to Florida, so that's more important.
Okay, so you said $750 is better than nothing. Okay, so Miss Dean, why do you feel you got scammed? Tell me what happened.
Because by the time I got to the game, we go to the game, me and my son, like I said, I worked really hard for these tickets. It wasn't money that I just had. I could barely afford them. Okay, on top of the fact that my son loves Chris Paul and it was his birthday, this was big for him. So it was really big for me to do something nice for him. I get to the game, they talk about they scanning the tickets and the ticket was already used. The tickets was fake. He sold me fake tickets. I want my money.
Mr. Brown,
I want my money.
Mr. Brown, she's saying you sold her fake tickets. Where did you purchase the tickets from, Mr. Brown?
I have season tickets, so I get first dibs on playoff tickets. So I got the playoff tickets. I had tickets for all the other games. I'm not.
Okay. So Ms. Dean, according to your complaint, you said you was excited, you was stoked, really excited for your son. It was his birthday. You wanted to really do something great for him, and you posted your tickets to social media, correct?
Yes, I was super excited. Like, look, like we going, like I'm gonna be the best mom ever for this. This is big.
She posted tickets on social media and wants to know why her tickets were used when she got there. All somebody got to do is take the picture and print it out and go to the stadium. All they're going to do is scan the barcode. Come on,
Ms. Dean, he's actually correct. So you posted the tickets on social media, and when you get to the arena, someone else has already scanned the tickets. They're saying these tickets has already been used, correct?
Yes, but that's not what happened.
What happened? Tell me what happened, because from what I'm gathering, that's what happened. Tell me what happened.
No, it doesn't matter that I posted the pictures on Facebook. I posted the pictures on Facebook just to be like, oh yeah, like look, we in there, right?
Did you black out the barcode on the picture? You didn't black out the barcode. Okay, well, Miss Dean, unfortunately, with technology being what it is, once you posted your tickets to this game on social media, you posted those tickets for the world. Those tickets were for first come, first serve to get to the venue.
That's not accurate.
That is accurate. You posted
It's not accurate because he sold the tickets to someone else. That's why they weren't any good.
Miss Dean, I don't believe you. What I'm getting here is he sold you the tickets. You then turned around and basically gave the tickets away by posting them on social media.
But those were my tickets. I paid my money for my tickets.
Miss Dean, I understand that these are your tickets, but once you post those tickets on social media without blacking out that barcode, you left those tickets available for whoever wanted to go to the game.
Why would you post your tickets online for somebody to steal them, dummy?
Why would you sell fake tickets, loser?
You should have
the real issue.
Argue with the person that printed your tickets out online and leave me alone. I ain't did nothing.
No, you know the person that you sold them to. You knew off the rip when you took my money that you already sold those tickets to someone in hand. In hand.
I charged you $5,000. You'd have been working for the rest of the plan. Sorry, I cursed.
Yeah, such a man, cursing at a little single mom, right? You should feel big about yourself, tiny type.
I can tell you ain't used to having nothing because you put the tickets on social media. Bragging about going to a basketball game? Come on.
Yeah, because that's what I do. That's what I do.
I'll put them up there next time. I bet you won't do it next time.
I probably will. I just won't buy from someone like you because you're a scammer and a loser.
I hope you learned from that. Did you learn? What did you learn from that?
Not to do business with nobody like you. Real simple.
Okay, now, furthermore, you're telling me that once you got home, your son started watching the game at halftime, and then what happened at halftime, Ms. Dean?
The person that stole my tickets or who he double sold them to made some type of like free throw and won. I want my money. I want my money.
What do you mean?
He made the free throw. They called the number out, right? Which was my ticket, the number that was on my ticket. They called to make a free throw. The person that stole my ticket made the free throw and won money. That is my money.
Was it a free throw or a half court shot? Do we have video of this, Bella? We have video? Okay, let's watch the video.
Fans, what do you say? He's a confident young man. He thinks he can win this one for $77,777. A little luck, a little love from Gorilla. All right, Tim, when you're ready, buddy, let's do this thing. Oh!
Okay, so what happened with your son? Tell me, you say your son he's having nightmares. What's going on with your son?
I mean, he was already looking forward to it. I feel like a failure as a parent. He feels let down. He's hurt. I just feel bad. Like he's crying all the time. I tell him something, he doesn't believe me anymore. He doesn't trust me because now it's like, Mom, you're lying. You said that we were going to go see Chris Paul and we didn't. I don't believe you. I feel like a failure as a parent. He's hurt. He's disappointed. He's a kid. Does Mr. Brown feel bad? He can't possibly feel like a man knowing that he took my money and disappointed my son. I did everything I could do right to make sure that my son got there, and now I feel like a failure as a parent. Don't ask me, how does he feel? He should feel less.
Yana, people do dumb shit every day.
Yeah, like you. I want my money. I was ripped. I paid $750 for these tickets. I could barely afford it. That $77,000 that guy won, that was my money. I could have made that shot. My son could have made that shot. That was my money. I paid for that ticket. That was my money. I want my $750 that I paid, and I want my $77,000. I could have did a lot with that. Yo, I seen a new house that I wanted to buy. I could have bought my house. I could have bought this little yacht, been on the water. I could have got my McLaren. I love to keep my hair done. It's all types of stuff.
You sound
crazy. It's a lot I could have did. It was my money.
Anybody could have made that shot. Anybody could have
made that shot. My son could have made that shot. I don't even know basketball like that, and I could have made that shot. It's my money.
All right. Okay. So, Ms. Dean, here's the thing. It's unfortunate that your son is a huge Chris Paul fan, and the Suns went to the finals, and y'all had an opportunity of a lifetime to go witness the game, and it kind of went left. Unfortunately, like I said, you posted the tickets or a picture of the tickets online, and once you do that, like I said earlier, you make them available to the world. That's technology today. You print them out, you take the piece of paper with you to the venue, they scan the paper, you gain entry into the venue. Unfortunately for you, once you posted them, like I said, you left them available to the world. Somebody else beat you to the tickets. I can't fault Mr. Brown for that. I can't hold him accountable for your negligence. So therefore, I am going to have to rule in favor of the defendant in this case. So once again, make my ruling in favor of Mr. Brown.
Thank you.
Your case is dismissed.
Thank you, nothing. You're a scammer. You're a scammer. Anyone that sees him, do not buy no tickets from him because he's a scammer. He's going to take your money and sell them to one of his friends because that's what they do.
I got season tickets. Knock it off.
Do you have a dispute and would like to settle it before our forum? If so, contact us at info@basicallyctv.com. Basically Court TV, where the disputes are somewhat real and everyday disagreements are handled however the judge sees fit.